What if everything you believed about Claire was a lie? What if her greatest secret was never about time travel, but something far more dangerous? Something she has been hiding even from Jamie, and tonight, that truth finally comes out. The story begins with a simple question that slowly turns into a storm. What is Claire hiding, and why now? The outline follows a clear path. First, we open with growing tension as Claire begins to act differently. Second, we uncover clues that point to a hidden truth from her past. Third, the emotional conflict rises as Jamie starts to suspect something is wrong, and finally, everything explodes into a shocking revelation that changes everything they thought they knew. The wind is cold and heavy as Claire stands alone outside, staring into the distance. Her hands are shaking, but not from fear, from memory. Something is pulling her back, something she tried to forget for years. Jamie watches her from afar, confused. This is not the Claire he knows. She has been distant, quiet, lost in thoughts. She refuses to share. Every time he asks, she smiles and says it's nothing, but Jamie knows that silence is louder than words. That night, Claire wakes up in terror, gasping for air, her voice trembling as she whispers a name, not Jamie's, a name he has never heard before. Jamie freezes. Something inside him breaks, just a little. He doesn't ask yet, but the doubt has already begun. Days pass, and the tension grows. Claire avoids eye contact. She spends hours alone, writing something in a small journal and hiding it. Whenever someone enters the room, one evening Jamie finally confronts her, his voice calm but firm. He asks her who is the man whose name she whispered. Claire's face turns pale, her lips part, but no words come out. The silence stretches painfully long before she turns away, saying it was just a dream. But Jamie doesn't believe it, not anymore. Something is wrong, and he can feel it deep in his bones. The next morning, Jamie searches for answers, not out of mistrust, but out of fear of losing her, fear that something from her past is coming back to take her away. He finds the journal hidden beneath loose floorboards. His hands hesitate before opening it, but his heart pushes him forward. Inside, he finds pages filled with date, sketches, and one sentence repeated over and over again: I was not supposed to survive. Jamie's breath catches, his hands tremble. This is not just a secret, this is something much darker, something Claire has carried alone for too long. When Claire returns and sees the journal in his hands, everything changes. Her eyes fill with tears, not of guilt, but of exhaustion, the kind that comes from hiding pain for too long. Jamie demands the truth, not in anger, but in desperation. He needs to understand, he needs to know who she really is, and that is when Claire finally breaks. She sits down slowly, her voice barely a whisper, as she begins to tell the story she never wanted anyone to hear. She reveals that during one of her journeys through time, something went wrong. She didn't land where she was supposed to. She didn't even land in the right life. For months, she lived under a different identity, forced to survive in a world where she could not be Claire, where every mistake meant death. She trusted someone, a man who helped her survive, who protected her when she was weak, but that trust came at a cost. He knew what she was, he knew her secret, and he wanted to use it. He tried to control her, to trap her in that time forever, and when she tried to escape, everything turned violent. Claire's voice shakes as she admits she didn't just run, she fought, and in that fight she did something she never thought she could do. She took a life, not in war, not in defense of others, but in pure survival, and that moment changed her forever. She escaped, but she carried that memory back with her, the guilt, the fear, the question of who she had become. She never told Jamie because she was afraid that he would see her differently, afraid that he would see her as someone broken. Jamie listens in silence, the weight of her words filling the space between them. His heart aches, not because of what she did, but because she suffered alone for so long. He steps closer, slowly reaching for her hand, but Claire pulls back, tears falling freely. Now she tells him that the man she killed, his name still haunts her dreams. That is the name she whispered, the name Jamie heard, the name that refuses to let her forget. For a moment, everything feels like it might fall apart. The love they built, the trust they shared, all standing on the edge of something fragile. But then Jamie does something unexpected. He kneels in front of her, looking into her eyes, not with judgment, but with understanding. He tells her that survival is not a sin, that what she did does not define her, but what she chose after does. She chose to come back, she chose to love, she chose to live, and that is who she truly is. Claire breaks down completely, not from fear this time, but from release. The truth is finally out. The secret that haunted her is no longer hidden, and for the first time in a long time she feels free. But the story does not end there, because secrets like this never truly disappear, they leave marks, they change people, and as the camera slowly pulls away, we see Claire standing stronger, but also more vulnerable than ever before. And just when it feels like peace has returned, the final twist hits. A letter arrives sealed and unfamiliar. Claire opens it with trembling hands, and inside is a single line written in ink that feels too fresh to be forgotten. "You were never meant to escape." Her face goes pale, her breath stops, because the past she thought she buried might not be done with her yet. And that is where everything changes again, because some secrets don't stay hidden forever. They wait, they grow, and when they return, they demand to be faced.
Like, comment, and share if you were shocked by Mark S. and Mark Scout's encounter. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all Severance secrets and behind-the-scenes moments. Watch full video on my YouTube channel for the complete mind-blowing scene.